Can you change your YouTube handle name on mobile before 14 days? Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. We hate to break it, but without actually extending the 14 days deadline, you will not be able to change your YouTube handle name. This is because this is the privacy policy of YouTube, so that there are not any of the fraud account with the similar name. So this is for your own safety as well. Now, if you really wish to switch your handle name before 14 days, you can try to vote an appeal. For that, you can tap on the user icon and click on the setting gear option. From here, you can just click on the help option. Then from here you can search for the name change policy. Now if you wish to actually send a feedback regarding it, you can do so as well. For that, what you can do is you can click on the send feedback option. Then right over here you will need to click on get started. Now over here you can type in why you wish to change your YouTube name. Also make sure you provide them evidence regarding why you wish to change it. You can type in such as someone messed up with me, or I have misspelled my spelling or so. Then you can just send it to the YouTube team. After it get reviewed, you may or may not be able to change your handle name. This does not guarantee that you can change your handle name before 14 days. Hopefully this was informative to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.